Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Wishing a happy Onam to all. Today we will make a very tasty pal payasam in a simple and easy way using our magic pot or instant pot. For this I have here 1 liter of milk. I have taken 1/4 cup of rice, washed it. Now I will just pulse it in the mixer jar till it is broken into bits. See, we have just broken the rice into bits by pulsing once or twice. Now before you begin, see that your inner pot is washed and rinsed thoroughly. You don't want it to get spoiled because we are adding milk in it. Next, press the saute mode. Add a teaspoon of ghee to the pot. Next, add in this broken rice to it. Just saute the rice in the ghee for a minute or so. See, this sauteing of rice in the ghee makes your payasam more flavorful. Next, I am adding in 1 liter of milk. But remember to give it a good mix. You don't want anything to stick to the bottom of the pan. Lock it in position and see that the steam vent is closed, and now we will keep it in steam mode and start. First it started preheating. Then the default cooking time in steam mode was for 15 minutes and now it is in the keep warm position. I will just cancel it now. Now I have switched it off. We will wait for the pressure to be released naturally. When after about 6 or 7 minutes, when the pressure has released, then we will open the pressure cooker and add the sugar. It is about 10 minutes now and see the pressure has been released completely naturally. So now we can open this. Lovely creamy payasam. You get that typical light pinkish color also for the payasam. Now we will add about 3/4 cup of sugar. Give it a good mix and then again keep it on saute mode. And allow it to cook for another 10 minutes on saute mode. See, it has been boiling on saute mode for about 10 minutes now and all the sugar is dissolved. It has become nice and creamy once again. Now I will switch this off. Two tips. One, I have added 3/4 cup of sugar because we don't like it extremely sweet. But if you want it a little more sweet, then you can add up to 1 cup of sugar. Secondly, after releasing the pressure and opening the instapot, when you keep it on saute mode, be sure to keep stirring it for about 5 or 6 minutes after adding the sugar, otherwise it will burn at the bottom. So continuously stir it and then remove the payasam. See, lovely creamy light pinkish payasam, the typical Kerala style. Only thing, here I did not get the traditional red matta rice. I have used only basmati rice to make the payasam. We don't need any other flavor or nuts or anything. It's just the flavor of this boiled milk alone which adds to the taste. You can serve this payasam either hot or cold, whichever way you want. I have made the pal payasam over the years in various methods, on the stove top, in a large kadai, using a pressure cooker. But believe me, when I use this magic pot or this electric pressure cooker, your instapot, it gets done as a breeze. In fact, you can switch it on, forget about it, and do the rest of your work, and your payasam is ready. Try out the simple, easy way of making a very tasty pal payasam. Happy Onam to all of you once again. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.